Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission in the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. In today's video guys, we will explain if you guys have a Dodge Journey and you have any of the two codes, okay, or the two codes together, what could be causing that? Now we're talking about, okay, code P0123 and P0222, okay, 222. So, we have guys more than 200 videos on this car. Please subscribe. Our mission guys is to save you as much money as we can by teaching you how to fix your car for free. Okay, let's go ahead inside the vehicle now, okay, and we'll try to diagnose and see what is causing that. Okay, so if I start the car guys, the car sounds terrible. Okay, it doesn't have power, it's misfiring, it's terrible. You're gonna hear it. Listen now. So you can see engine light on, traction light on, okay, powertrain light on. It's a big mess. Car doesn't rev up. So what we'll do, we'll turn it off, turn to second position, no brake, okay, car not running. And next guys, okay, we're going to get that little bitty scanner here. You can find it listed in the description of the video below, amazing too. We'll click read codes. And the code that we have is 123. Okay, throttle position sensor switch A. The other code is 222. Okay, throttle position sensor switch B. So, that guy's throttle position sensor, this is your throttle body. So what we'll do guys, we'll go ahead, inspect the connection, we'll see if we need to clean the throttle body or we need to replace it, and after that guys, we're going to see if that fixes the problem. So, when you open the hood guys on your Dodge Journey, okay, this is your throttle body, known as sometimes throttle position sensor as well. Okay, now, for that throttle body guys, okay, you have a safety pin, and if that safety pin is not installed, your wire might wiggle and come out. Okay, you can see the safety pin is out, and we can pull, okay, and remove it easy. Now we need to make sure it goes all the way in, and now that thing, push it in like that. Okay, all the way in. Now I believe, okay, it's the throttle body only causing that problem. Inspect your connection first, but if that doesn't fix the problem, put in your throttle body and that should be fine. Now we'll go ahead guys, okay, we'll replace ours and we're going to explain, okay, if that fixes the problem or not. So we have the replacement video because you have to take the airbox out, you have to take that intake to get to the body, throttle body, and replace it and see if that fixes the problem now. So we replaced ours, we have a new body now. Okay, first I'll turn the ignition on twice, no brake pedal, car not running again, okay, and we'll go ahead and clear the codes. Okay, we'll click erase, processing. Okay, now we'll turn it off, let's start the car. No light on guys, no light on. You can see definitely guys that takes care of the problem. Okay, car sounds amazing again, doesn't misfire, so new throttle body, heal the problem guys. So thank you for watching and see you guys next time. Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out, we have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.